I would like to speak to you in the drum language. It has been many sad years since the earth has been filled with the cries of our people. The sounds remain still in the mist. The shores of homes, the Middle Passage. The lands to which our ancestors were taken are all haunted by the cries of many. Cries that will never stop until the soul can see the unification, the oneness, the returning of Africans to Africa becoming a reality. A people being one as it was in the beginning. We thank the Almighty God and the spirits of our ancestors for bringing you back home to us. You are welcome. You are welcome.